Students will research various forms of cyberbullying using reliable sources. Each student will create a digital presentation using PowerPoint, Google Slides, or another tool, highlighting at least 3 different forms of cyberbullying, complete with examples and effects on victims. Define cyberbullying and its impact. Introduce cyberbullying. Begin by explaining what cyberbullying is and discussing its potential effects on victims, such as emotional distress, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Discuss the importance of awareness. Emphasize why it's important to understand the different forms of cyberbullying to foster safe and supportive online environments. Step to conduct research using reliable sources. Identify reliable sources. Guide students to use trustworthy sources for research, such as educational websites, government sites, or reputable news organizations. Gather information on forms of cyberbullying. Students should research at least 3 forms of cyberbullying, such as harassment, repeatedly sending hurtful or threatening messages; impersonation, pretending to be someone else to damage their reputation; exclusion, intentionally leaving someone out of online groups or conversations; cyberstalking, monitoring or tracking someone online in a threatening manner. Take notes. Encourage students to take notes on the definition, examples, and effects of each form they select. Organize the presentation structure. Title slide. Include a title slide with the presentation title, example, Understanding Cyberbullying, and the student's name. Introduction slide. Briefly introduce cyberbullying and explain the purpose of the presentation. Form-specific slides. For each form of cyberbullying, create a separate slide or set of slides. Definition. A clear definition of the form. Examples. Realistic examples to illustrate how this type of cyberbullying may appear. Effects on victims. A description of the impact this form of cyberbullying can have on individuals. Conclusion slide. Summarize key takeaways and include any personal reflections or tips for preventing cyberbullying. Design the presentation. Use a consistent theme. Select a professional and simple design theme with consistent fonts and colors. Add visuals. Include relevant images, icons, or diagrams to illustrate key points and make the presentation visually engaging. Keep text concise. Use bullet points and short phrases to convey information without overwhelming the slides with text. Review and edit. Peer feedback. Students can review each other's presentations to offer feedback on clarity and accuracy. Check for accuracy and sensitivity. Ensure all information is accurate and respectful, especially when discussing sensitive topics like cyberbullying. Proofread. Review for grammar, spelling, and formatting errors. Present to the class. Practice presentation. Students should practice presenting to make sure they can clearly explain each slide and provide further detail as needed. Class presentation. Have each student present to the class, encouraging questions and discussion after each presentation to deepen understanding.